Hello and welcome to the FAANG Sunday Sentiment Report. This is Meta. Right now Meta is definitely in a really long uptrend. You'll notice that structures to the upside, the algorithms are pointing up, and AI is showing upward pressure. One of the things I did want to point out to you is we are really close to breaking above. If you can see that cursor there. If price breaks above that, that will be breaking above the high that goes all the way back to 2021. So we'll have to see what's coming up here in the very near future. Next up, Amazon, kind of the same. It's been in a really decent uptrend for a long time. Structure still to the upside. The algorithms are pointing up. We bounced up above this algo trigger, and AI is showing upside momentum. I'm going to still forecast and predict sideways to up movement for Amazon. Apple Computer, not such a good story for Apple Computer. You'll notice it hit this high and then it dropped down and bounced around a lot. What this was all about basically was China banned iPhones in their country. This was the original reaction. Then it started to recover here. The structures to the upside, the algorithms were pointing up, and it broke above this algo trigger, these two algo triggers here. But then I think reality started to set in, and now the algorithms are pointing to the downside. We're kind of chopping sideways here, but I think people have figured out that losing China is a really big chunk of revenue to lose, and I think this is going to chop sideways and slowly move to the downside for Apple Computer. Netflix, same kind of story, not no devastating news like Apple has, but if you'll notice here, you got highs here and here and here, and you've got these long-tailed bars showing that it went up. It hit a point and then it was rejected, went up, hit a point, was rejected, hit a point, was rejected. So I'm going to, even though the algorithms are pointing to the upside, structures to the upside, and there is some upside pressure from AI, I'm going to still continue to say that this is going to go sideways to down over the long term. Google was in a very strong upward trend, still kind of is. The rise isn't as linear as we'd like it. It's more like this, but still structures to the upside. The algorithms are to the upside. We're way above an algo trigger, and AI is still showing upward pressure. The only thing that gives me a little concern is this long tail at the top of this bar, but other than that, I'm still thinking sideways to up for Google. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. What I'm going to do each morning is go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. So go to Spotify and bookmark the FX Morning Mayhem podcast now. If you like the FAANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.